Hi Libra, welcome back. Welcome to the Blue Star Energy Tarot with Cindy. I hope everyone is well. Today we're doing a 5-card spread. We're using the Queen of the Moon Oracle and the Elemental Oracle by Stacey DeMarco. We've combined them. First card out is the Purity. Second card is Pressure. This card is your energy. Resistance. What are you resisting? Fear. And the last card. What we'll do is we'll get a clarifiers with tarot. Excuse the noise, I work outside. And East. Very nice. On the bottom of the deck, Libra, you have Pleasure. It's the number 18. That is, well, that's the moon element. That's you shining and vibrating, transforming yourself, learning a great deal about yourself. I really like that. You see the butterflies here? It feels quite beautiful, quite healing, quite powerful. It feels healing is what it feels like. All right, let's take a look at these cards. Libra, I feel like this is your energy. Well, the center card is your energy. It says resistance on it. So I asked the question, what are you resisting? And of course, what we have on either side is pressure and fear. And then further out is purity and east. What I find interesting is I feel like you're moving in a particular direction, taking your inner core, that which was unknown to you, and stepping forward. And quite frankly, really vibrating quite well with it. And why is that? Because we have the snow moon, purity, followed by the transformation and pleasure, or pressure, I apologize. And these two cards say to me that taking what you know of yourself and moving forward and stepping out in like a completely new you. I often see this card as taking a deep dive water, which makes sense because we have here the 18, which is the moon card, the healing card. This is you coming out of that deep dive. Like taking that which has been, I'm getting like a cold coma, what you've held within yourself for a very long time, and stepping forward and bringing forth that transformation. In fact, these two cards, the vibration is an 11, 1-1, which is you, Libra. It is about balancing. It is about you finding at your core that which needs tending to, that needs attention, that needs to come to the surface and step forward so that you can step forward in your utmost vibrant and powerful way. You're healing. And being that the resistance card is here, I really feel that maybe the resistance is related to you coming up to this point. Meaning that you've learned through the years, one second. You've learned through the years that persistence, standing on your own 2 feet, not allowing others to misguide you or mistreat you, and just following the wisdom, the signs and symbols in your life has led you to this transformative period. In fact, I'm being brought to my own experience with the moon, having seen some things as many years ago. I saw visions, and some of those visions came true, and it just scared the bejesus out of me. So when it came to my loved ones, what I saw, and then they came true, I completely denied, rejected, and stepped away from that aspect of myself. And I said, no, I don't want this. What's the point? Anyhow, I feel like this is something along that line that you resisted, you held your guns. Maybe it was because of fear. Maybe it was fear of the East, which is spirit. Maybe the fear of whatever the guidance was that was given to you at a particular time. But what I'm feeling here is it is that fear. Maybe it's spiritual in nature, maybe it's the moon energy. Whatever that fear is, I feel like that was from like 30 years ago, and you're stepping through this portal of sort, having taken a deep dive and really coming out of it in a complete transformative way. And you come out of it with pure joy. You're vibrating higher. You are illuminated, healed even. Yeah, this is movement. This is moving you. It's an action. I'm looking at numbers, and it's action-based. Balancing who you are so you can work with the movement of energy that's around you, Libra. Let me see if I see something related to the energetics. I see pleasure. Perhaps there's a bit of pressure, but I almost feel like a popping sound. And you pop through. And you realize there's nothing to fear. And you get back on your path, the East, the beginnings. Yeah, this is your shadow. Interestingly, this is a number 11. This is your shadow protecting you, Libra. There's also something here about do not fear, do not fret, allow the energy to flow. There may be a tower moment in the near future or in the vicinity. Do not go against the grain. Stay in your centered state, because what's transpiring is a new beginning. I'm getting like nodal, north node. Actually, I'm getting both the north and south node. That's the past and present. Excuse the noise. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. I'm going to hold off till they're done here, and I'll come right back when they're done. All right? Thank you. Okay, Libra, we're back, minus the lawnmowers and weed whackers. So, You know, I've been looking at these cards and I feel, I mean, you come out in this in many different ways, Libra. The number vibration of these two cards is an 11. This is an 11 as well. It's as if you're trying to create something, but the message is clear: to stay balanced, to be in a energetic of being joyful, and know that there is resistance. When you release that resistance is when the movement and the flow will transpire. Again, I was getting like north and south nodes, past and the future. I wonder if you're at that point in your timeline where there's something from your past moving forward, or that needs to come forward for you so you can release, as we saw here, and don't resist it. Let's get some tarot cards. So what do we have for the purity? We're using the Quantum Tarot and the Hermetic Tarot mixed. What do we have for Libra for the snow moon purity? Thank you. We have the Eight of Cups. That's about leaving emotions that are not good for you. Yeah. Letting go of harsh, entangled emotions. That which you contain within yourself, your heart and mind. Let it free flow and see what's inside, the light within you. It will give you the strength that you need. Yes. Step away from the harsh energies of emotions, albeit people or even yourself, and release that aspect, release your heart-mind entanglement. And when you do that, that snow here turns to water and you become free-flowing. And that is the point at which your transformation will transpire. Yeah, you will be in your power. It will help to shift your energy. Quite lovely. Nine of Swords. Yes, laying those fears down. The mental conflicts. To be able to see and feel the difference when your mind is clear. Be in that state of joy and allow the transformation to take place. Allow that change to happen, and you will step forward in your power. This is, you know, I was over here, I was feeling like the north and south node, and that there was like this timeline thing going on, and that's what this Wheel of Fortune represents. It represents a particular point in which, you know, you've gained a great deal of wisdom, and now is the time. I'm almost getting like reaping the benefits of your endeavors. Yes, now is the time for you to expand. Now is the time for you to level up, expand, maintain your balance and expand. There is an ancestral aspect here. It's as if you went within yourself, Libra, and just try to eliminate whatever the harsh aspects are, and just be in that state of joy and allow the energetics to change, because you've done all the work already. I feel like now is the time for you to shine. Thank you, Spirit. Two of Cups. Now is the time for you to join forces to create or to see your opportunity that's in front of you. It is now. 1 second, please. Change is upon you, Libra. Don't resist it. Allow it to flow. So you can create. See with clarity and create. There's more here. Maybe I'll pick it up later. Okay. What do we have for the fear? Thank you. All right, we'll wait. Thank you. We have the 9. This is the Hermit. This is about you going within yourself. It's in the reverse. Don't be afraid to go find what your shadow is protecting you from. It is that aspect that needs to be released so that your creative aspect can come out. Yeah. Your strength lies within you, going deep within yourself, releasing those emotions. Maintain a joyful state so that you can completely level up, change the energy around you, and transform. You will see with clarity regarding the past, present, and future. Yeah, the 6 of, I'm going to take them all. The 6 of Swords, the 10 of Pentacles, the 2 of Pentacles, and the Death card. Yeah, this is a portal of sorts. 2 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles. This is about expanding your transformation, being in your power, and not being frightened about what's about to transpire. Maintain a joyful heart, mind, clear all your emotions. What's transpiring with you, Libra, seems to be quite huge. It seems significant. It feels well, you are moving towards energy that is much more calming for you. You're not going to need to have any resistance, but the common denominator here, Libra, is to stay balanced. I'm getting a notion like stay out of the chaos, the drama, stay away from emotions that really trigger your mind. Stay away from it. Be in a state of pure pleasure so that these changes can come through. I really like that. 6, 7, 8, 26. Yeah, this is about you stepping into your power. This is about going full circle and really coming back into yourself, to your true nature. I really, really do like that. Let's see what we have on the bottom of the deck. Nine of Cups. Lord of material happiness. This is, yeah, you being in your power and working in that energy freely, without fear, right? No fear, so that you can move that energy. Go within yourself. Allow the emotions, the change in your emotions to move with pleasure, so that you can illuminate and liberate and release things that are holding you back from allowing yourself to change. Yeah, amazing. Quite lovely, Libra. Thank you so much for allowing me to have this opportunity with you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you see fit, hit that notification button. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks. Bye.